Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Miss Lily English, the place where learning English feels warm, friendly, and fun. I'm Lily, and I'm so happy to see you again today.
And I'm Jason, and yes, it is really great to be here with all of you. Every time we record a new episode, I feel excited already.
Same here. And today, we have a super relaxing topic, one that I think everyone can connect with. Because, well, we all do it every single day.
Yes, absolutely, and it's one of my favorite parts of the day.
We're talking about our evening routine. What we do when the day is done, when we finally get home, the small habits that help us relax and get ready for a good night.
Yes, the evening. A perfect moment to slow down and breathe after a long day.
But before we jump into all the cozy nighttime things, we want to say a quick thank you to everyone who's watching. Thank you for supporting Miss Lily English.
Yes, and if you enjoy learning English with us, please click like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and helps more learners find us.
All right, Jason, the imaginary sun has set, work is done, school is done.
Responsibilities are gone, most of them.
Exactly. So let's imagine we walk into our home. What is the very first thing you do when you arrive?
Easy. I open the door and immediately take off my shoes.
Oh, yes. That is such a satisfying feeling.
It really is. My feet feel free.
I do the same. I open the door, step inside, take off my shoes, and put down my bag like I'm putting down all the stress from the whole day.
That is a perfect image. Stress, down with the bag.
And after that, I cannot stay in my day clothes anymore. I change into something comfortable right away.
Same here. I take off my work clothes, or whatever I wore during the day, and put on my home clothes.
What's your home outfit? I'm imagining something soft.
Oh, definitely soft. I have an old blue t-shirt. It's kind of faded, but extremely soft. Then I wear comfortable pants, not jeans. Never jeans at home.
I feel you. Jeans at home are illegal.
Illegal. Yes, let's make that a rule.
My home clothes are simple too. I have this big, cozy sweater. It's pink and super warm. It feels like a hug.
A sweater that hugs you? That sounds magical.
It really is. So now we're both comfortable. What's next for you?
Honestly, after changing clothes, I usually get hungry.
Same. Evening hunger hits different.
It's dinner time. Now, do you cook at night?
I do. I love cooking. For me, cooking helps me relax. I play some music and just enjoy the process.
That sounds peaceful. But for me, I try to cook, but sometimes I'm too tired.
So what do you do?
I order food. Yes, that is my secret.
Secret, Jason. The whole world orders food.
True, but I always feel like I should be cooking something healthy. Some days I succeed. Some days, pizza wins.
Honestly, pizza is happiness.
Yes, and when you're tired, happiness should be easy.
But what do you usually cook?
Something simple. Maybe chicken and rice or a salad. And when it's cold, I love cooking soup.
Soup is the superhero of comfort food.
I agree.
So we eat dinner. It's around 7 or 7:30 p.m. Then what do you do to relax?
I usually sit on my sofa. My sofa's so soft, it feels like the sofa is inviting me.
Sofas do have that magic.
And then I sometimes watch TV.
What do you watch?
Sometimes documentaries, sometimes cooking shows, even though I don't cook much.
That's cute. Watching cooking shows instead of cooking.
Hey, I learn. I just don't use the knowledge.
That still counts, I think. I usually watch comedies because laughing helps me relax.
Laughter is the best medicine after a long day. But sometimes I don't watch TV.
Oh? What do you do instead?
I read. I have a favorite reading chair. It's the perfect place for mystery books.
Ah, mysteries. My brain is too tired for mysteries at night.
That's okay. Sometimes I'm too tired too. On those days, I just listen to music.
Music in the evening feels different.
Exactly. I put on big headphones and close my eyes. No phone, no TV, just music. It helps my mind calm down.
That sounds beautiful. I should try that.
You definitely should. But let me ask, do you usually stay home at night?
Most nights, yes. I like being at home.
Same. I am a homebody.
A proud homebody.
But sometimes on Friday nights, I go out with friends to eat or watch a movie.
Friday nights feel a little more special.
Exactly. But on regular nights, home is the best place to be.
So, after those quiet evenings at home or the occasional fun Friday night, there's a moment when I suddenly feel it. That wave of sleepiness slowly arriving. The my eyes are getting heavy feeling.
Oh, yes, that moment. It's like your body gently whispering, hey, it's time.
Exactly. Around 10 or 10:30 p.m., that whisper becomes a very clear message.
Same for me, and when that happens, I turn off the TV or close my book, depending on what I'm doing.
And that's when the nighttime routine truly begins. The first stop for me is always the bathroom.
Same here. The bathroom is the official, okay day, we are finishing now place.
I always brush my teeth first. It feels like the final cleanup of the day.
Yes, brushing teeth is non-negotiable. 2 minutes, no excuses.
Then I wash my face with warm water. It's so calming, like washing away everything stressful.
Warm water at night is magic. I do the same. And after that, pajamas time.
Ah, yes, pajamas. The real sign that sleep is coming. Mine are light, soft, and look cute, but comfort comes first.
Mine are simple, gray shirt, gray pants. Nothing special, but extremely comfortable.
Gray is the universal sleep color.
It really is. So once I'm in my pajamas, I'm ready to go to bed. But, confession time, I don't sleep immediately.
Let me guess. The phone?
Yes, unfortunately.
Jason, we talked about this.
I know, but I only check 2 things, I promise, just 2.
The alarm, I'm sure.
Exactly. I set it for 7 a.m.
Same here. Every day, 7 a.m. We're very consistent.
And my second thing is checking the weather for tomorrow.
Practical as always.
I need to know if I need an umbrella or a jacket.
After that, do you finally put the phone down?
Yes, and I put it far away from my bed so I don't keep scrolling.
That's a good habit. I do that too. A faraway phone equals better sleep.
Exactly. So after that, I turn off the lights and lay down. But sometimes, my mind is still awake.
Oh, yes. The famous brain at night problem.
That's exactly it. My brain gets very talkative at night.
Mine too. So I read a few pages of a book in bed. It helps calm everything down.
Does it work quickly?
Oh, yes. Sometimes too quickly. I read one page and suddenly the words start dancing.
Dancing words mean bedtime.
Yes, and then I turn off the light, close my eyes, and let myself drift off.
That sounds peaceful. My routine is similar, but I don't read in bed. If I read in bed, I would probably fall asleep with the book on my face.
That is a very funny image.
It has happened before, trust me.
But you know what I think is interesting? Everyone's nighttime routine is a little different, but the goal is always the same, to feel calm before sleep.
Yes, everyone needs that moment of winding down.
Do you have any small habits that help you relax before sleeping?
Yes, sometimes I stretch gently, nothing intense, just light stretching to release tension.
That's a great idea. I might try that.
You should. It helps your body remember that the day is ending.
I also like to drink a small cup of warm tea, not caffeinated, something soft like chamomile.
That sounds cozy. Tea at night is always a good choice.
And sometimes, before I sleep, I sit quietly for a minute and think about one good thing from the day.
Oh, gratitude. That's powerful.
It really changes the feeling of the night.
I should add that to my routine.
Maybe we should both make better nighttime habits.
Yes, small but meaningful improvements.
But even when the day feels stressful, nighttime has a special magic.
It's like the world becomes softer and quieter.
And it feels like a reset button for our minds.
Exactly. Then we wake up ready for a new day.
Speaking of resetting, do you ever talk to yourself at night?
Only sometimes, and only when I want to remind myself not to forget something.
That doesn't count as talking to yourself. That's survival.
True, but sometimes at night, when everything is quiet, I think more clearly.
Yes, nighttime thoughts can be deep.
Or just funny.
That too, but I prefer when they're funny because it puts me in a good mood before sleep.
Same here.
You know, I once couldn't sleep because I started thinking about a conversation I had 8 years ago.
Ah, yes, the classic memory attack. It always arrives at night.
It truly does.
But usually after brushing teeth, pajamas, a little reading or music, and setting the alarm, my body finally relaxes.
And then sleep arrives naturally.
Yes, gently and quietly.
You know, people watching us probably have their own special routines.
I'm sure they do.
I'd love to hear what they do to relax in the evening. Maybe they have ideas we can learn from.
That would be amazing. Maybe someone has a genius nighttime habit we haven't heard of.
If they do, we will definitely try it.
Absolutely.
You know, Jason, talking about night routines always makes me feel calm. It reminds me that even on busy days, there's always a peaceful moment waiting at the end.
Yes, that quiet moment before sleep feels like a gentle pause in life.
And I think that's why many people enjoy sharing their evening habits. It helps them feel connected.
Exactly. And I hope everyone watching feels the same, like they're a part of this warm little conversation with us.
I'm sure they do, and I hope today helped them learn new English words too, like pajamas, brush my teeth, relax, homebody, and all those simple, useful phrases.
Yes, things they can use every single day. That's the best kind of English to learn.
Before we say goodnight, I'd love to hear from everyone. Tell us in the comments, what do you do to relax in the evening?
Do you watch TV? Do you read? Do you listen to music? Or maybe you have a little routine that makes you feel calm before bed.
We really enjoy reading your answers, and it's great practice for your English too.
Definitely. And if you enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Miss Lily English so you won't miss our next episode.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us tonight. We hope your evening is peaceful and cozy.
Yes, have a wonderful night, everyone. Sleep well, rest well, and we'll see you again very soon.
You know, Jason, talking about night routines always makes me feel calm. It reminds me that even on busy days, there's always a peaceful moment waiting at the end.
Yes, that quiet moment before sleep feels like a gentle pause in life.
And I think that's why many people enjoy sharing their evening habits. It helps them feel connected.
Exactly. And I hope everyone watching feels the same, like they're a part of this warm little conversation with us.
I'm sure they do, and I hope today helped them learn new English words too, like pajamas, brush my teeth, relax, homebody, and all those simple, useful phrases.
Yes, things they can use every single day. That's the best kind of English to learn.
Before we say goodnight, I'd love to hear from everyone. Tell us in the comments, what do you do to relax in the evening?
Do you watch TV? Do you read? Do you listen to music? Or maybe you have a little routine that makes you feel calm before bed?
We really enjoy reading your answers, and it's great practice for your English, too.
Definitely. And if you enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Miss Lily English so you won't miss our next episode.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us tonight. We hope your evening is peaceful and cozy.
Yes, have a wonderful night, everyone. Sleep well, rest well, and we'll see you again very soon.